Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as gamepad for your Sony TV. Now over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but this is going to work out even if you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the Sony Bravia Google TV just like this one, and regardless of whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. Now first things first, on your Sony TV what you want to do is to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, and for the Sony Bravia Google TV just like this one, you want to just navigate to this search input or search icon at the top right corner of the TV. And from the search input, you just want to type Google Play Store to open up the Google Play Store app. If you're using the Sony Bravia Android TV, you can literally find the Google Play Store app from the list of apps under the app section of your Sony TV. In my case, I'll just search for it. Then click on the search icon at the bottom over here to open up the Google Play Store app. And now from the Google Play Store, you just want to navigate to this search icon at the top as well. So come over to this search input, and then you just want to proceed to search for the Zank remote control app. So just search for Zank, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see this suggestion over here. So make sure you select this application, and then also make sure you download and install it into your Sony TV, whether you're using the Sony Android or the Sony Google TV. And again, once the application is done downloading and installing, before you open it up, come back to the home of your Sony Bravia TV, and then you just want to navigate to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the TV. Click on the settings or gear icon, and then you just want to scroll down until you find the about option, usually under the system settings. If you're using the Sony Bravia Android TV, the about option should be found under device preferences. So go ahead and select on the system settings, click on the about option from over here, and then you want to look for the build option. So it is usually called Android TV OS build or just build. In my case, it is the Android TV OS build. Go ahead and select on that option for about 7 times until you see that you are now a developer. And then you want to just come out of that and then look for the developer options from over here. Now you can see mine. Select developer options and then make sure that USB debugging is turned on your Sony Bravia TV. Here it is called ADB debugging. That is just another name for the USB debugging, but just make sure you select it and turn on USB debugging or ADB debugging depending on what it is called on your Sony TV. And finally, once this is done, you can just go back to the home of your Sony TV. Now you want to come back to your phone, navigate to the Google Play Store or App Store of your device, and then at the bottom you should find the search icon. Tap on it, then come inside of the search input, and then make sure you also search for the Zank remote control application, and then also download and install it into your phone as well. And once you also have it on your phone, before you open it up, proceed to open up the application on your Sony Google TV or your Sony Android TV first. So I will just go over to the app section and then look for the Zank remote control app over here. Go ahead and select it to open it up just like so. Then follow all of the on-screen instructions. So click on next step over here, click on allow, give it all of the permission it requires, and then just give it some seconds. Now all you have to do is to click on the always allow from this computer, then click on the allow button at the bottom as well. And once you're in this page, you want to open up the Zank remote control application on your phone as well. So click on the open button. You can open it up directly from here, then set it up as well. So click on the allow button. At this point, you also want to make sure that both your phone and your Sony TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. And then at this point, you can just click on the home button over here now to pair both devices as well. Now you can literally see my Sony Bravia TV. If you do not find your Sony TV over here, just try and make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. And then once you find it, just select the name of your Sony TV and both devices will automatically connect, as you can see from the bottom over here. And at this point, you can literally control your Sony TV and even use your phone as a gamepad or game controller for your Sony TV as well. To navigate through the TV, you can use this D-pad. So over here, you can see it actually works. I can go back to the home of my Sony TV and then just use this D-pad to navigate through the list of apps over here. And if you actually want to turn your phone into a gamepad or a game controller, you can just click on this box icon at the top over here, then click on the controller icon as well. And now you have this controller. You can also make sure you turn off lock orientation on your phone so that you can actually use the controller properly. Now this is actually how it looks like, and you can as well use this to also navigate through your Sony TV without any problem as well. You can also play games. So I can try playing the beach buggy game over here, and with this gamepad I should be able to control and then play my game on the beach buggy racing without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.